Advanced Gregg Laminators, the American-made leader in custom laminating products, introduces the 6400 wide-format commercial graphics laminator. The updated AGL 6400 is a unique product in our line of wide-format graphics laminators. The 6400 is what AGL considers its legacy laminator. All of AGL's nip rolls are concentrically ground without any taper to them. Other features of this laminator include a 62-inch wide maximum film width, a pneumatically actuated nip roll assembly which allows you to precisely control the nip roll pressure from 0 to 100 psi. These proprietary components allow any of the 4 main shafts in a 6400 to be used as an unwind or a rewind, producing one of the most versatile laminators in the wide format graphics industry. 5 cantilevered supply stations with push-button convenience for loading and unloading supply shafts. Ergonomic control panels with forward-reverse speed controls and clutch brake pressure gauges allow for ease in setup as well as operator feedback. Top and bottom heated rollers provide for 0 to 320 degree temperatures that allow for thermal as well as pressure-sensitive adhesive applications. Every AGL heated roller comes with our plus-minus 5-degree roller profile guarantee across the entire roll face. The AGL 6400 features an 8-inch nominal diameter steel, non-crowned, silicone-covered nip roll assembly with gap adjustment from -1/16 to 3/4 inch. AGL's rollers are straight and concentrically ground to yield less print distortion and wrinkling. The heated top nip roll features adjustable heat assist for warming up pressure-sensitive over laminates, resulting in perfectly smooth output. The rollers are made of high-release silicone for easy cleaning. The AGL 6400 is designed to have an option for installing air shafts at all of the supply stations. These air shafts help with the efficient changeout of supply rolls of material. Static control is achieved with an optional top or bottom DC pulsed static control system located at the stripping point of the release liners. The curl cam feature is unique to an AGL laminator. It is designed to work with the thermal lamination process of encapsulation. When 2 different thicknesses of film are combined into an encapsulation, web curl can occur. The curl cam helps by decurling the web as it is wrapped around the curl cam. The AGL 6400 is equipped to run at throughput speeds of up to 30 feet per minute. Web cooling is important when it comes to thermal lamination. Dry and filtered air help cool the web prior to the wind-up station. And as always, all of our laminators incorporate safety features. The AGL 6400 laminator features 4 separate palm strike emergency stop switches, as well as front and rear foot actuated safety tape switches that, when activated, disrupt the power and raise the pneumatic nip rollers, keeping your employees safe. The AGL 6400 wide format commercial graphics laminator. The features you need with additional professional level advanced feedback and the legendary performance you expect in the wide format marketplace. AGL, Advanced Gregg Laminators, proudly made in the USA.